The coefficient of friction is a dimensionless number that represents the frictional force between two surfaces. It's divided into two main types, static friction and dynamic friction. Static friction is the frictional force that must be overcome to start moving an object from rest. It's usually higher than dynamic friction. Static friction resists the start of motion. Dynamic friction is the frictional force acting on an object in motion. It's usually less than static friction. Once the object is moving, maintaining motion requires less force, as indicated by the gauge. Static friction occurs when there is no relative motion between two contacting surfaces. In brakes, this happens when the brake pads grip the rotor or the brake shoes press against the drum without the wheel sliding or skidding. Static friction is at work when the brakes are applied, and the tires maintain grip with the road without skidding. It provides maximum braking force because static friction is generally greater than dynamic friction. Static friction ensures that the vehicle slows down effectively without losing control. Dynamic friction occurs when there is relative motion between two surfaces. In braking, this happens if the tires lose grip and begin to skid, or if the brake pads slide against the rotor during hard or prolonged braking. If the wheels lock up, in non-ABS systems, or skid, dynamic friction takes over between the tires and the road. Dynamic friction provides less stopping power compared to static friction. Modern braking systems, like ABS, aim to maximize static friction by preventing the wheels from locking up, thus maintaining control.